Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. My name is Theo Tovek, and on today's video we are going to install these side skirts into my beautiful BMW M3. So I have the side skirt and also the back extension. So let me take you on this DIY. It's pretty simple actually. Here's the side skirt that I decided to purchase. It is made by KG Splitters. I met the guy through Instagram because I saw this same splitter on an M3 that I was just following, and then the guy told me that he purchased it from KG Splitters, so I went ahead and contacted him and got a set for myself. So it came well covered and packaged, as you can see, with a bubble wrap and everything. And it is pretty much this big thick material right here, and he wrapped it with a carbon fiber on top here. Since I don't have I have a lightweight front lip, I didn't want something that would be carbon fiber on the side, so I said, this big black material and just kind of like a carbon fiber wrap would be nice. And I also have the extension for the back, and it came with the screws. Here the screws right here. So let's go ahead and install it. I think it's very durable because of the thick material. It's kind of made like a same kind of material like the lightweight lip that I purchased that you saw on another video. And yeah, so let's go ahead and install this. The first step is to clean up under the area on where the side skirt is going to go with some rubbing alcohol and some towel. So let me go ahead and do that right now. This step is optional, but I highly recommend it. So I highly recommend to place some 3M tape all around the lip or the side skirt. Because I did not have enough tape, that's why I kind of cut it into section like this. So this is the same thing for the bottom skirt here. So go ahead and put that, because that will help you secure the side skirt on the side of the car before you actually use the screws right here to mount them. Use a few items you have at home laying around to help you support the side skirt while you're doing a test fit, just this way. Once you have an idea of how the side skirt is going to be placed, go ahead and remove the 3M tape. After you remove the 3M tape, as you see here, go ahead and place back the side skirt and make sure that it is aligned the way you would like it. Now go ahead and pull together, make sure that the 3M tape sticks to the underside of the car. Now you can go ahead and pretty much install the screws. Alright, the installation is completed on this side. Go ahead and follow the same step on the other side. Now let me take you on the back so you can see how I installed the back. It's pretty much following the same steps. So let me fast forward it for you. How do you like it, guys? I love it, man. Again, simple, but yet it gives a nice aggressive look to the car. Here's the back. I love it. On YouTube, you saw I installed these side skirt extension on the front and actually on the side and the back of the car. So how do you think? I love it, man. Again, it's very simple. I'm going to drop it on the description how you can get your own set if you're interested into this. Drop a comment below and let me know how you think about it turned out to be. I think it's fantastic, man. So again, my name is Tove. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. There is always good content here, and thank you again for watching, and see you on the next video.